Hey guys, Stuart here, welcome back to another Sheetify CRM tutorial. Today's focus is to dive into our Sheetify Projects toolkit, which is an all-in-one Google Sheets project management template. Today, I'm going to share how you can record team interactions inside Sheetify Projects. Now, if you're completely new to our Sheetify Projects template, I'll add a full tutorial down below that will cover all the tools and features that you can leverage in this project management toolkit built with Google Sheets. I'll also add other information about all our Google Sheets business templates down below in the description. Okay, so diving into Sheetify Projects, you can see we're in the Team Interactions sheet. This is where we can go ahead and manually add team interactions. For example, select the team member, Stuart Smith. Automatically, that's going to populate their team or the department that this individual is part of. And then we can add notes, and this could be anything. Example, a meeting. However, a better way to do this is to navigate up to Sheetify, then click on Add Interaction. Here you can record important interactions or notes. Simply add the interaction or the notes in here. I've just added example B meeting we discussed just for the purpose of today's tutorial, but essentially what you would do is add any kind of interaction that you had and notes associated with that interaction. This is with your team member, then go ahead and click on yes. And as you can see, that note and the timestamp has been added here. All we need to do is select the team member that we had an interaction with and the information will be added. Pretty cool, huh? And you can do this from any sheet. For example, let's say we're on projects. We can navigate up to Sheetify, add interaction, add the interaction and hit yes. And that will automatically add you to this sheet here. The timestamp is added, the notes, and then we can select the team member that we had the discussion with. And that is everything I wanted to cover about interactions or recording notes inside Sheetify Projects. If you want to learn more about all these other sheets, for example, managing projects, project tasks, your project performance, timelines, as well as the calendar, Kanban, and email options, I will add the relevant tutorial down below in the description for you to check out and understand all the different tools and features you can leverage inside this Google Sheets project management template. If you got value from this video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and that way I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.